Motherville.
Good morning. What an awesome hat you have. Where are you going today? Oh no! The red car did not apologize. And also, it runs away taking the hat. The yellow race car is very fast and is not far behind. Oh! The minor thief spins off the road and is hiding behind the garbage. Oh! Here's the police. The offended race car tells the police everything that happened.
Okay.
The police car decides to act. Wait, not so fast! Oh no! The police car lands directly on the roof of another car. Wake up! You need to save your friend, now! Oh! It seems like we have a sandwich of police cars now. Look out! A fire hydrant is straight ahead! The police car's flipped over. Who's upside down now? Looks like it's time to call for backup. And the red car seems to have a problem. Phew! Everything turned out okay. But not for the police cars. Slipping on the slippery oil, they all piled together. And now the red car can't hide from justice. Justice is served.